like a boss.
All right, ladies, so today we're gonna be talking about how to show a guy that you love him without turning him off or without losing your power. Because ladies, a lot of the times, a lot of guys are just waiting for you to say you love them first so that they can conceal their intentions, act a little uncertain, right? And the problem is that when you don't know what he feels and he knows what you feel, there is a natural power imbalance. And when there's a power imbalance, naturally, people become tyrannical, they become cold, and sometimes they just don't even see you as a person, right? Because they just see you as a source of that, something that they can control. Absolute power corrupts absolutely. So we're gonna be talking about how to do that, all right? Thank you all of my Patreon supporters, like always. I gotta thank all of them. Check me out on Patreon. I have a new website where it's called the Mindful Academy. You can become a Patreon there. There I release my videos early, right? Like this video, if you were part of it, you can see it earlier. There I talk about, I break down movies, I break down shows, I break down books. I have a Robert Greene book club, so go check it out there, man. It's really good. And if you need one-on-one coaching, go to the description down below. You guys got to get your mind out of this Disney goddamn fantasy you guys have, and realize that Disney is a movie. Disney is not reality. That's why it's called Disneyland. Jesus Christ. And when it comes to love, it's not about being direct. Cause when you're too direct with love, it can be suffocating. It's more about suggesting love. That is more exciting than anything else. And the goal for you when you express your love to somebody is not to leave them completely certain of your love. Now, mind you, it depends who you're messing with. A ball hog who never passed the ball once told me this: know your clientele. If the person who you're talking to is verbally and physically abusive, be careful with doing this, and it's better yet to move away from that kind of guy. But that's for a whole nother story. What you want to do is leave a little doubt of your love. Leave a little sense of doubt by showing your love with your actions and not showing it with your words. You send a little mixed signal. But why is that? Everybody in the world is too direct. Everybody in the world can't control their tongue. So they say, I like to be direct with people. I like to show them that I love them. Not because you're thinking of them, not because you're trying to seduce them and give them a good experience, but because you can't control yourself. It's more selfish. And the real goal behind the seduction, behind making your lover fall for you, is to create a little bit of confusion. Because by doing that, you make them feel alive. Those are emotions that make a guy feel alive. It's better to feel those emotions than feeling nothing. And that's why when you don't do that, it becomes boring, because everything is predictable. Your emotions do not shoot up and down from time to time. Love should be something that makes you feel alive from time to time. So what I want you to do is learn to speak less with your words about how you feel and more with your actions. Right? And learn to speak less about how you feel until he has proven himself. Until he has said things that is obvious that he loves you. You want him to make the first move. And I am not saying, do not misunderstand what I'm saying. I am not saying that you don't show it with your actions. You have to show a guy you love him with your actions. What I'm saying is that you don't show it with your words. That's all I'm saying. So what you could do is, if you're gonna show him that you love him, show him that you love him through your attention to detail. Notice the things that he loves. Notice the birthdays that he has. Make him the things that he likes, the food that he enjoys. Take him to the spots that he says he wish he could have gone. Give him the gift that nobody has given to him because they don't pay enough attention. But don't say it with your words. You ruin everything by saying that I love you with your words. It's better to receive a gift from somebody who we don't feel the pressure of love, right? Because at least for me, I'm not speaking for every guy, but it's much better for me not to know that you love me, and then you're giving me things that you paid attention to, because then it's more of a, okay, like, this is surprising. I didn't expect this from her, right? But then once you give him that experience, once you show him that you have attention to detail, you make sure that you give him that space. You take a break, a week or so. You say, I'm a little busy. You say, I have a little more work to do. You say, I'm a little tired. You say, I need to be alone for a while, right? All of that is confusing. You gave him that feeling of high. Oh my God, she did this for me. She pays attention. And then you give him that little uncertainty because you're a little busy. You're a little quiet. You don't want to talk much. But it has nothing to do with you, baby. I'm just a little tired. Without a doubt, he's gonna find a way to blame himself. And he's gonna ask himself, what did I do? And that causes guys to prove themselves to you. That causes guys to find the reason why you're pulling away. It's confusing. It's confusing. They need to string together the missing strings. Because this is the thing. When they don't know what you're up to, always remember, when they don't know what you're up to, they can't get defensive. They can't say, all of a sudden these looks don't mean I love you. It could mean I love you. Maybe it is, or maybe it isn't. That's what a guy wants. You want to make him think. You want to make him wonder. You want him to be walking around the streets, kicking the pebbles and saying, does she love me? What did that mean? Hey, she said this, but then said that. People, this works even in relationships, right? You always have to renew your contract. You should always be making him think what is in your mind. So what you could do is use smoke screens. Say the opposite. If you really love him from the beginning, tell him that you're somebody that you have a hard time loving people. Tell him that you have a hard time getting close to people. Tell him that you like to take things slow. Tell him that you have a hard time expressing yourself to people. Is it true? Who the fuck cares? The point is that you want him to be trying to figure things out in his mind. When you make things so easy by saying, I love you. So you smoke screens. Make it hard on him. But you know what's the problem? Is that some of you ladies cannot deal with the uncertainty as well. You also want certainty. You also want it easy. And that's why you can't really do what I'm saying. The way to show a guy that you love him and maintain your power and not make him pull away is to speak less with your words and speak with your actions. Show him that you love him with your actions, but not with your words. From time to time, show a little disdain from him. From time to time, act like you are annoyed by him or pull away. But just like your mama, when she got pissed off at you and whooped your ass, she still came home and said, here's dinner. She still made you your favorite meal even after she was mad. Maybe that's not healthy, right? But you get the gist of it. Stop sending direct signals. Send indirect, mixed signals. It's not unhealthy. As long as you show him that you love him with your actions, and from time to time you show a little disinterest with your actions, but you don't show it with your words by the pretense of I have a tough time expressing myself, or I have a tough time trusting people. You make sure you let them know that you're hard to get close to people, and everything you do will have this confusing aspect. But that confusing aspect will make him so desperate for you that he will express his love for you first. But make sure that you don't take advantage of him. Show him that you love him with your actions. Now, there's a caveat for this. Make sure that you show him that you love him after 2 or 3 months of the relationship, after he has proven himself to you, after he has been consistent. If he's starting to be inconsistent, throw this shit away. You know what I'm saying? This is only for the guys that have proven themselves to you and you feel like it's time to open up, but you should never be too sure. Always open up, 1 step forward, half a step back, and then take another step forward, and then another half a step back. Always keep him wondering what is in your mind, so that he could completely think of you all the time, because he cannot understand you. That is how you keep him in his mind. That is how you show him that you love him without losing your power. It doesn't mean this is easy. You gotta control yourself. You gotta stop being selfish and always trying to say, how can I relieve my emotions? And think of them. And you'll notice that this is an art, not an emotional experience. Now, ladies, if you guys enjoyed this video, check us out on Patreon, all right? On the Mindful Attraction Academy. If you guys want to continue getting these kinds of videos, let me know. What do you guys want me to make next in the comments down below? What kind of video do you guys want me to make? And also, has this worked for you? And has it worked on you as well? I want to know what you guys think. And don't forget, hit the like and comment down below. All right? Make this video get bigger on YouTube. All right? All right, peace out. All right, ladies. So finally, I have released my second course for women, which is natural chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine natural chemistry. No more short-term partners, no more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this third week, setting boundaries. We go over the third week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, fourth week. Fifth week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses. 10 different bonuses, my Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are: 1, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything. The laws of human nature, I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you could just check it out for free, and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out, because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're gonna love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now. All right. I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.